wala ka jinon gibri gibi bet mai yang jepang covid-19 klarang her ka dang ya kisngi hanen kalyang nak ko kya kampa di hap satya ban wegno jing khandam ha is ka sales na kalyang menteri ka trak ko kya ba yel hek habakram gilap te khubor long banyak kren wegno ik lockdown kadang kloi than namare mantahi palang satya ban sting ya unik yang jepang prasyam palat sanspa tam giji im jugno sosnong.
Department only we discussed this in the review meeting, which is headed by the Honorable Chief Minister. That will be taken up. But now it is too early to say because it has reducing or it is flattening. It is too early to take the conclusions. It's too early now because it is just only last 2 days it has been reducing. I might say it is flattening, but I'm telling you, we are as a government, we are taking review meeting every day to discuss about the situation. So we will take the call on this issue also. Very careful. You cannot be complacent. I've been telling this time and again. Now also I'm telling. The COVID war has not been over. It's not yet over at all. It might be reduced today, it might be increased tomorrow. But we have to be very careful as a citizen of the state, as a responsible citizen. We are all responsible to our own life. If our responsible our life, we have to responsible for the life of others also. So this is our bound duty and responsibility to ensure we follow the protocol, protected ourselves, and we protect others also.